Okay, traders and hodlers. Now, today I have this one secret coin for you. Now, this is certainly not a secret, it's all out there, guys. But now, the interesting fact about this particular coin is privacy. Now, this coin, this entire project right now, is trying to incorporate privacy into DeFi. Now, that's one thing which really got me. And, guys, I thought that I'm going to bring up this coin to you guys. So, let's jump onto this. Now, before we jump onto the coin, guys, go ahead for that subscribe, hit that like. Let's jump into this one, guys. This is called Beam. Now, most of you people must have heard about this one, as this is listed on major exchanges including Binance, where most of the liquidity is flowing these days, guys. Now, Beam, they have been there around like ever since October 2019, I guess, when the bear market was there. Like, Bitcoin was still around, I guess around 6-7 thousand USD, guys. I think, yeah, it was there, and they came up, guys. Now, this project came with another project called Grin, and I don't know what Grin is up to these days, but Beam certainly looks to me like this is catching up. The team is constantly active, and, guys, their development is taking place every single week, guys. Something they do have everything. They do have something to update every single week, so this means that they are really progressing, and this is mineable as well. And, guys, now now here's the thing which really got me. You can go ahead with their website, you can see their roadmap as well, but there's one thing which really got me: the BeamX exchange. Now, guys, this is going to be a privacy focused decentralized finance exchange. Now, interesting as fuck, guys. I mean, okay, you if this project really come into fruition, and if whatever they're promising comes into reality, this is certainly going to pick up, guys. So we do have some fundamental bullish things happening in this entire ecosystem for Beam as a whole. Now, BeamX, certainly, now they're going to be bridging. Let me just show you one thing. They do have one thing in their roadmap. They're going to be bridging Ethereum assets into their blockchain as well in the coming days. So, lot to look up to for these guys. I mean, something is Beam as a whole project is up to something really amazing. Let's just simply say that. All right. Now, guys, the next thing is going to be the tokenomics for this one. As this, you can simply look at the chart right here, and the longer any cryptocurrency in this market with a strong fundamental backing behind it goes sideways, that means it's gonna have a explosive move to the upside. So, guys, does that mean I'm gonna put my entire fucking savings into this asset right here? Nope, not at all. I'm just gonna put some amount of money which I am fine losing with, guys. Have that mindset. You cannot simply go ahead and put entire savings into one shit coin, and if it actually goes to shit, you're gonna be fucked for life, right? I mean, that won't make any sense. So, guys, if you are well, none of this is going to be a financial advice, guys. You do your own due diligence, as I did mine, and I am presenting the data in front of you, guys. This is one of the interesting projects. So, guys, invest any amount of money which you're comfortable losing with. All right, guys. Tokenomics for this one: max supply cap at 262 million beams, so not that much, not even hitting the billion marker. Currently under supply is 1/4 of what is written right here, guys. So certainly one of the interesting things, as well, as they're creating a supply shock as of now. Now, ROI ever since it came into inception, just 60%, guys. It's not like it's not gone anywhere. If the project is actually going to pick up, the prices will certainly pick up, guys. The fundamentals are certainly strong behind this one. Now, guys, market capital for this one is below 100 million, which is certainly interesting as well. Now, fully diluted market cap, I don't know how this one functions for coin market cap. I'm gonna be doing my research as to how they calculate this figure right here, which is 4x the market capital which they are showing itself. I don't know, guys, how this works, but market capital is certainly below 100 million, means that a lot of potential room to grow to the upside, right? It is available on good exchanges, guys. Now, the Binance, BTC, basically liquidity can enter the Beam markets from good exchanges, right? So this could certainly have a potential move to the upside, guys. Now, let's jump onto the charts itself, as I'm going to be talking about the daily time, no, the 3-day time frame first, as this looks to me like, what does it look like to you guys? This is a macro accumulation, right? This is a macro accumulation. If I just spread this chart out even further, guys, this is macro accumulation. This is range bound behavior for some futuristic upside moves which are going to be, I don't know, infinity, I guess. But this entire range is some good amount of beam being accumulated by retail crowd, by institutions, I guess, by a lot of people. But this box right here, certainly, guys. Now, how can you determine the trend right here? It's certainly towards the upside, as it is following up with the 21 simple on the 3-day time frame. Now, guys, this video was supposed to be less of technicals, but you got to know when to enter the markets, when to actually have a potential good risk to reward opportunities, right? So this one is certainly trending. It has started trending. Now the thing remains that how to time this one, guys. If I just simply, okay, let's just get it off this box, and I'll demarcate this entire area as this one is your significant level right here. Alright, guys, we can simply argue that if you start closing weekly candles above a dollar marker on beam against USDT, it'll start picking up, guys. It'll certainly start picking up, and then it'll take $1 as a support area for a very long time, right? Now this could certainly fail as well. This could be a flop show if Bitcoin tanks completely, if everything tanks, if crypto market has a black swan day or something, some shit like that, then certainly it could go down. But guys, currently the markets are under trending motion. Total 2, everything is under trending motion, guys. Most of the cryptocurrency markets, well, you can argue that it is range bound, as Bitcoin is wanting to range between 60k to 55k right now, but we are currently trending. Crypto markets are trending, so anything can get picked up. Beam certainly having a unique concept. Privacy DeFi guys, I mean, Privacy DeFi, like, okay, interesting, pretty interesting. Let me know down in the comments if you know any other project which is working on a similar concept, because if this picks up, it's gonna be really interesting, guys. So, well, a lot of fundamental blabber about this coin right here, as this is certainly interesting project, guys. Now, the technicals simply define that the 3-day 21 simple is aligning with the support right here at 60 cents. So you can accumulate beam between this range right here, right? Now this is why I talk about the fact that you do not want to enter these markets with your entire savings, guys. Just if you're wanting to go ahead with some beam, if you want to really buy and hodl some beam, guys, just put some money which you're completely fine losing with. All right, none of this is a financial advice. I just can't stop myself from repeating this thing, because guys, I don't want to get into trouble. I don't want to be responsible for your losses. You should know that you are responsible for your losses and profit, guys, as this one looks to me like a good pick for now. Quite under evaluated, quite significantly under evaluated, guys. Now I'll not jump into extreme small time frames, because that's going to be completely pointless, and this is not the point of this video. This is more of a fundamental video. All right, guys, the Beam BTC pair is something that you can also check out to time the entry for Beam USD markets as well. All right, so guys, this is the point of inflection right here. You want to take down the 200 Satoshi levels to the upside, then you can talk 2000 Satoshi level to the upside. Then you can talk about some the breaking out of this falling pizza right here is going to be significant moves to the upside, guys. I mean, well, this is something you can time your entry into Beam markets. Like, this is certainly one of the charts you can go ahead and analyze even further down the line, guys. I'm not going to be jumping into extreme small time frames for this one as well, but the most significant part right here is that this is trending below the 200 simple moving average as of now. Okay, so if you do take the 200 simple as well to the upside, guys, it's going to be a perfect hodl for the coming months, right? It's going to be a perfect hodl for the coming months. And this is one of the, guys, I'm going to be coming up with a lot of under-evaluated coins henceforth until the end of this week, as well, it is time to start positioning yourself for the next leg to the upside whenever it happens, right? Whenever it happens. So guys, this time around, most of the altcoins which have been just lying around are going to be picked up for good. So you want to be positioned in the market, guys. I'm not going to be advising you what to do with your money, and if you do lose out on money, yet again, I'm not going to be responsible, right? Why do I keep on saying this one? Because guys, the track record for Beam, let's be honest right here, track record for Beam against BTC has been a simple fucking downtrend. All right, on the first go, this is a simple bearish looking fucking chart. Okay, I mean, you keep on breaking these grinds to the downside, and you keep on capitulating, guys. What could be different this time again? You could simply break down again. You can test these price points again at a negative 26 satoshis. Fucking irrelevant. You break this grind right here, I don't think you're gonna be falling below 60-70 satoshis, guys, as this is, most of the sellers have fucked off from the market, guys. There are just buyers. So this is the different thing happening, right? This is something which is different happening on the BNBBTC markets. You do take this one out, you do take the 200 simple out on the daily schedule, guys. The party is on for BNBBTC. Let me be very, very clear with that. All right, guys, I think this has been pretty much it. You can go ahead and do your own due diligence on Beam. And guys, if you do find that well, this project is quite active, as I would like to say, go ahead and check out their Twitter as well. See whether the team is constantly updating, and see whether the team is actually growing. What kind of investors are there in the Beam space as well, guys? Just do your own due diligence as well before investing into these markets, right? I'm going to be ending this video right here. I'm going to be coming up with some certainly interesting videos for the day and the next day as well, guys. So I hope to catch you guys on the next video pretty soon. Bye for now.